Hey, all you Gretas and Shutezcats out there. Welcome to Unit 3, Section 4, Human Population Dynamics. There's quite a few videos in these notes, and it's still too large for Canvas to let me upload the PowerPoint, so we're going to walk through these together. If you come to class this week, you will see all this in class, and we will talk about it. If not, you get to hear me now. So there's an intro video I'm actually going to skip over, and then we're going to start with, come on, next slide. Maybe. There we go. We're going to start with the video 7 billion people, and we're on page 12 of your packet. So here we go. Alrighty, so think about some trends you might have seen in that video. We definitely are having larger lifespans. There's many more people in cities than in rural areas, way more mega cities, way more energy use, way more people needing to be fed. And that's at 7. I think we're at 7.6 billion right now. So just a couple of things to think about. The next video is called The World's Most Typical Person. So go ahead and pause this for a second and make a couple predictions. So on your thing, it says the world's most typical person. So if you take all the humans on this planet and you figure out the most average person out of all of them, how much money would they make a year? Do they have a cell phone? Do they have a bank account? Are they male or female? How old are they? What ethnicity are they? And how many of these typical humans are there in the world? So go ahead and pause this for just a second and make those estimates just for fun. And then unpause and we're going to watch the video. All right, pretty cool. But just to give you an idea of what the world's most typical person has and looks like, which might not be what you anticipated. So here are the different countries by population size. So you see China and India are the greatest. We are the next, although Indonesia is catching up. So this is just kind of interesting to see, and here's the color code over here, but how big countries are by size. You can also do a map that way. So the size of the country has to do with how many, it's called a cartogram, and it's how big each country is. Kind of neat to look at it that way. Here's another cartogram, just a different way to do it. What do these 7 billion people do? 400 million of them are entrepreneurs, 430 million are unemployed, 577 million are older than 64, so that's a lot. 800 million work industrial jobs, 1.4 billion work in agriculture, 1.7 billion work in services, and 1.9 billion are slackers and too young to work. So just kind of interesting to see how this planet is divided up. Our next one is human population through time, and you should be on, once again, still page 12 of your packet. So here we go. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video, and then we'll pick up at a second one. So you guys want to take a break and come back to the second video in a little bit. That is totally fine. Before I go, I want to let each and every one of you know that you are good enough, you are smart enough, and people do like you. And in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good God, do your homework.